Next, we use the yellow thread to crochet the part of the scarf. Next, we use the yellow thread to crochet the part of the scarf. For the part of the scarf, we need to overlock and start stitching. Crochet hook thread. Press the line from the back to the front. Spin around. Pinch the intersection. Crochet. Line hook out coil. Tighten the knot. This way we've tied a slip knot. Make 50 braid stitches inside this slip knot. Watch video for details. Hook after standing up. 50 braid stitches. How to hook braids? That's it. Crochet. Directly from. Hook the needle up like this. It's a braid. Twist and hook 2. 3 4 6 7 A total of 50 should be enough. 10 11 12 13 Then we have ticked 50小时 L. 50 braid stitches. Then we flip this braid over. Turn it over. We start hooking. Long needle. If the needle is long, we need to give it 2 empty needles first. Crochet from the 3rd stitch. Then the place where the needle goes in is this. We start from listen. Listen's location. This is the location. This location. Just this single braid. This is listen. We give him 2 needles. 1 2 from the 3rd needle into the needle. The 3rd stitch is this position. This is where the needle comes in. We need to crochet. The long needle crochet is. We first crochet, crochet. First wrap the thread around the crochet hook. First wrap the thread around the crochet hook. All short needles are inserted directly into the needle. The long needle is to go around first and then around a circle. And then we get a long needle and thread. Bring out. Stretch it out. Crochet. Bring out the first 2 coils first. Bring out again. last 2 coils. In this way, a long needle will be hooked. Find the location of lesion. Winding. Bring out. Pull it. Same length. Crochet to bring out the first 2 loops. Then wind out the last 2 coils and 2 stitches. Third stitch. Let's take the circle. After hooking it up, it looks like this. Viewed from the side, all are braid stitches. 48 pins in total. Then we hook it for the last stitch. 3 braid stitches. Turn around and do an extraction with the first stitch. Perform an extraction with the first stitch. Cut the thread, then wrap the end of the thread around it.